In this 44th video of FreeCAD series, we will be talking about how we can scale up our sketch. And for that, here you can see I am already in FreeCAD Power Design environment. And let's quickly create one such sketch. Let's use any of these planes. And now I'm gonna plot, let's say, a simple circle. Now, let's say, you made this circle and then at certain time, you realize that the size of this needs to grow by, let's say, 1.03% or 2 times. That totally depend on your use case and requirement. Then in that case, what we can do here is we can go to model, select the sketch, and then here we can select this option, scale transform, and let's select it. And now here you can simply take your cursor anywhere and you can now define the scale value. Let's say I would like to make it 5 times large. I can put 5 and there you go. The 50 diameter is now 250. So in this way guys, you can utilize this scale transform option inside FreeCAD. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you check out our complete FreeCAD playlist that you can check out in this channel. Also, please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam as we cover several engineering topics related to CAD, project, and many other. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.